Hello and welcome back to another unboxing video. This is Joshua with West Networks, and today I have my hands on a MAX BR1 Mini LTE. It's a great little mobile router, really good for mobility, really good in RVs, trailers, things like that, and really good for small home satellite working from home applications. So let's just get right into it. This is the box that it comes in. And right when you open it up, the first thing you're going to see is a nice little quick start guide. This is a super nice new thing they've made. It makes it really simple and easy for all users to be able to change the settings and get into the router. If you need more help, this is super nice. And then other than that, to the left is the actual BR1 Mini, the actual router itself. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So here on the front panel is going to be all of your interfaces, your LAN, your WAN connection. It's going to be your status lights, and then this is where you actually hook it up for power. And on the back side, you're going to have all your Wi-Fi connections, your cellular connections, and your GPS connection. This is also where you put the SIM card. It's got one little Phillips screw. You take that out and you can put the SIM cards in, which I will be demonstrating later. But again, this is a super small, really lightweight. It's about the size of my hand. It's got 4 mounting screws, so you can put it just about anywhere. And it's really simple, easy design. Other than that, in the box itself, you're going to come with some basic accessories over here to the right. So just open that up, and you're going to have your GPS antenna, your power cable, and then your cellular and Wi-Fi cables. So let's go ahead and get it hooked up. It's super basic, easy. I would usually start with just the antennas. These 2 bigger ones are going to be your Wi-Fi. They're also labeled right here. Just turn them on hand tight. It's really simple. So the difference between this BR1 Mini LTE and the BR1 Mini LTE-A is actually the throughput. This is a Cat4 box, and it can actually do 150 megabytes of throughput at a time, while the LTE-A can do 300. So if you need more speeds and more throughputs, consider the LTE-A. Other than that, you just have to quickly connect the cellular antennas. Again, just twist, hand tight. You don't have to get any kind of wrench. They'll work. And then if you're going to do the GPS, it's right here. Comes with a long cable, so you can put it pretty much anywhere away if you have to get it up high to get good signal. It's also magnetic, so it'll actually stick to basic metals. And if you're going to connect it, I'd probably suggest connecting it first. It kind of is difficult to screw it all the way in if the other antennas are in. And then on that, that's pretty much all the connections on the back end except my SIM cards, but I'll show you how to do that later. And then for the front, you just take it, you plug it in here. It's got a little notch, so one can only plug in one way. And then if you need to take it out, just push down on this pin, it'll come right out. So that is just the basic hardware and the physical setup of the BR1 Mini LTE. If you need anything else, just go ahead and let us know.